Well, hello, beautiful people. We're going to talk about one-step equations today, and specifically, we're going to talk about the models for equations, right? A picture of a one-step equation. We're only going to be focusing on addition and multiplication when it comes to these types of models, right? For one-step equations this year, we're only going to model addition and multiplication. So, important to keep in mind. All right, so let's look at a model or a picture of an equation. So when you have a picture of our equation, we really want to pay attention to the key. This one says that use the key to below to determine which equation does the balance scale represent. Remember, with an equation, there's an equal sign, which means the left and the right-hand side equal each other, so they're balanced. For the key, we have the cylinder is S and the cube is 1. Well, if I look at the left-hand side of that equation, I have 1s. I can write that with s. And then I have 3 more. So 1, 2, 3 blocks. They all are a value of 1, so that's 3. When the two things are combined on one side, well, what operation is that? That's addition, right? Addition is taking two things and combining them. So on the left-hand side of this model, I have s plus 3. Because the model is balanced, they are equal to whatever's on the right-hand side. And I just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? There's 6 cubes. Each of them is worth 1. So our equation for this model is s plus 3 equals 6. I could solve for s if I wanted to. I could subtract 3 from both sides. And s is 3. But if they're just asking for the equation, it is s plus 3 equals 6. And if you look here, the answer was D, 3 plus s. Remember, with addition, they're interchangeable, right? It's called the commutative property of addition. S plus 3 is the same as 3 plus s. So don't let that confuse you. All right, let's take a look at another. All right, if I look at this one down here, again, you want to focus on the key. The red rectangle is x. The green square is 1. So if I look at the left-hand side, I have 1x, so I write that just x, and then I have 4 green squares. So x plus 4 equals, because again, they're balanced, and then I count over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So x plus 4 equals 14. If it wants me to solve for x, I can. I can actually use my model. If I take away 4 over here, I can take away 4 over here, which leaves me with 10 more. So x would be 10. So my equation is x plus 4 equals 14. If I solve for x is 10. Let's look at a different one, right? We've done 2 addition, but now let's look at what we would do a multiplication problem. So again, we look at our key first. A bag of cookies represents the letter B. That's the variable. A cookie represents 1. So on the left-hand side of my equation, I have 3 bags of cookies. So I can write that I have 3B, 3 bags of cookies. That equals, remember, equals because they're balanced. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So my equation being modeled is 3b equals 15. I could solve by dividing, right? We do the inverse operation to solve. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so I have 1b, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. So there's 5 cookies for every 1 bag. So there you go. That's how we model one-step equations. Let me know if you have any questions. Love ya. Bye.